Yes, welcome to my new video. Now, in the last videos, we have to see application of one-dimensional heat equation and application of wave equation. Now, we have to solve Laplace equation. Well-known equation is the Laplace equation by method of separation of variable. This is the special case. Laplace equation is the special case of two-dimensional heat equation. We will discuss two-dimensional heat equation in next video, but here we have to see solution of Laplace equation by method of separation of variable. Since we have given del 2u over del x square plus del 2u over del y square, this will be equal to 0. This will be equation number 1. This is the standard form of a Laplace equation. This is the standard form of the Laplace equation. So, let u is equal to capital X and capital Y be the solution of equation 1, where capital X is the function of x only and capital Y is the function of y only. So, differentiating 2 times with partially with respect to x, partially with respect to x, we have del 2 of u over del x square, del 2 of capital X upon del x square into capital of Y. This will be equation number 3. And again differentiating equation 2 with respect to y partially, we have del 2u over del y square, del 2 of y over del y square into capital of x, This will be the equation number 4. Now using 3 and 4 in equation 1, we have now using 3 and 4 in equation 1, we have del 2 of x over del x square y plus del 2 of y over del y square x. This will be equal to 0. This implies that del 2 of x over del x square into x, this will be equal to minus of del 2 of y over y del y square. By method of separation of variable, we have to take x in one side and y in another side, and this we will let minus of k square. So this will be equation number 5. This k square will be any constant and we take it minus of k square. So from above we have del 2 of x over x del x square is equal to minus of k square and minus of del 2 of y over y del y square minus of k square. So solving above equation, we have solving above equation, we have capital X is equal to C1 cos of kx plus C2 sin of kx. Capital Y is C3 e to power ky plus C4 e to power minus of ky. Using above solution, using value of capital X and capital Y in equation 2, we have u is equal to C1 cos of kx plus C2 sin of kx into C3 e to power ky C4 e to power minus of ky. This be the equation number 6. And this equation 6 is the complete solution of given Laplace equation del 2u over del x square del 2u over del y square. This is the complete solution of Laplace equation. But this solution consists of 4 constants C1, C2, C3 and C4. So we have given in the question there are 4 initial conditions, and using these initial conditions we have to obtain this constant value. Now we substitute first initial condition. Now we put u 0 comma y, this be equal to 0. 0 comma y is equal to 0 in equation 6. We have 0 is equal to C2 sin of substitute C1 into C3 e to power ky plus C4 e to power minus of ky. This implies that C1 is equal to 0 because C3 e to power ky plus C4 e to power minus ky is not equal to 0, since we have to substitute the value of x. So this y function is not equal to 0. So using this in equation 6, we have u of x comma y, this be equal to C2 sin of kx C3 e to power ky plus C4 e to power minus of ky. This be equation number 7. Now we put u of ly, this be equal to 0 in equation 7. We have this 0 is equal to C2 sin of kl into C3 e to power ky plus C4 e to power minus of ky. The product of these 3 terms will be 0. So definitely there is one term is 0, since C3 e to power ky plus C4 e to power minus of ky is not equal to 0, and C2 is not equal to 0. So sine of KL, this will be equal to 0, and this will be equal to sine of n pi. This implies that KL is equal to n pi and K is equal to n pi by L. This will be equation number 8. So presently we not substitute the value of K in equation 7, because when we substitute the value of K, this equation C will be more lengthy. So we take K in equation 7 and we proceed for substitution of third initial condition. U x comma 0 equal to 0. We put this equal to 0 in equation 7. We have 0 is equal to C2 sine of kx into C3 plus C4. This implies that C2 sine kx is not equal to 0, so C3 plus C4 equal to 0. This implies that C3 equal to minus of C4. So using this condition in equation 7, we have u of x comma y, this will be equal to C2 sine of kx into C3 e to power ky minus e to power minus of ky. This will be equation number 9. This will be the equation number 9. Now we put last initial condition, which is given x comma a. Now we put last initial condition. Y x comma a is equal to sin n pi x by L, sin n pi x by L, n pi x by L in equation 9. We have sine of n pi x by L, this will be equal to C2 into C3 sine of kx into e to power ka minus e to power minus of ka. So this implies that C2 C3 e to power ka minus e to power minus of ka is equal to 1, and k is equal to n pi by L. This value of k we also obtain in equation 8. This is same as equation 8, n pi by L, and from here we also obtain k is n pi by L. So this C2 C3, this will be equal to 1 upon e to power ka minus e to power minus of ka. So we put value of C2 C3 and k in equation 9. We have in equation 9 we have u of x comma y, this will be the 1 upon e to power ka minus e to power minus of ka into sine of kx into e to power k of y minus e to power minus of ky. Yes, all right. So this be equal to 1 upon, this can be written as 2 times sine hyperbolic ka into sine of kx into 2 times sine hyperbolic of ky. Since e to power theta minus e to power minus theta upon 2, this will be equal to sine of hyperbolic theta. So this can be written as sine of n pi by Lx into, this 2 will be cancelled out, sine hyperbolic n pi by L y upon sine hyperbolic n pi by L a. This is the solution u x comma y. So this is the complete solution. Of given Laplace equation in equation 1. Main question is this: when k square will be positive or negative or 0. So I already discussed about this. When the value of k square is positive, then the solution is trivial, and we have to not take the trivial solution. So we are not taking k square is positive and 0. So we take only k square is negative. But this solution is possible if this equation, from this equation we write minus of del 2x over del x square is equal to del 2y over y del y square. If we take this x symbol will be negative and y is positive, then we have to take the solution will be the constant will be positive. It means the solution of this equation is also possible when we take the case del 2 of x over del x square minus is equal to del 2 of y over y del y square is equal to this. The same question can also be solved on the basis of this condition, and solutions remains unchanged, and the solution will be unchanged. So be careful to decide if the value of k is positive or value of k is negative. So both way solution will be possible. When we take from this equation, this case, we take the negative sign of k, and when we take this case, x will be negative, so we take k square is positive. One more things, we can also take in place of k square, we also take k. But when we take k, the solution appears here in equation number 6. It will be c1 cos under root kx plus c2 sin under root kx e to power c3 e to power under root ky plus c4 e to power minus under root ky. But this also, when we solve by this condition using this initial conditions, in the last solutions will be remains unchanged. So always be careful. We have to take which condition. Completely depends upon the given question, which completely depends upon the given question and the given initial condition. Given initial condition. Very important. If we take, suppose that if we take uh, this relation and take the positive sign, then the solution will be trivial. The condition will be goes to trivial. Trivial means solution will be 0. Uxy will be 0. When uxy will be 0, the solutions will be trivial, and this case we cannot be taken. So when this will be arises, we give its contradiction and again goes to this equation number 5, and we change the symbol of k square. If we take in the k square, then we have to take minus of k square, and when we get the minus of k square and solution is trivial, then we take the k square. So whatever the value of k, it completely depends upon the given equation and given initial condition. We have to obtain only non-trivial solution from the given condition of the given partial differential equation. So more than this we can discuss in our next video.